exposing the dirty secrets of clean homes. Here's how to go green while cleaning. First up, ditch those chemical sprays. Mix vinegar and water for an all-purpose cleaner that can tackle almost anything. Bonus points for adding a few drops of essential oil for a fresh scent. Number 2, baking soda is your new best friend. Sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming to deodorize or mix it with water to scrub grimy surfaces. Next, lemon juice. It's not just for lemonade. Use it to dissolve soap scum, shine up your faucets and even bleach stains. Plus it smells amazing. Fourth, don't throw away those old newspapers. Use them to clean your windows and mirrors for a streak-free shine. Who knew recycling could be so handy? Finally, say goodbye to paper towels. Invest in some reusable cloths. They're eco-friendly and super absorbent. There you have it. 5 easy hacks for a greener, cleaner home. Happy cleaning.